welcome back to my channel. Today I have such an amazing and exciting video planned. I have with me the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Vault. Oh, that is such a cute angle. So it just looks like their chocolate bar, but obviously it is the gold edition. And inside I have like a whole bunch of goodies. Inside I have the chocolate gold metallic matte eyeshadow palette, which is this one here. I have the pure gold ultra fine face and body glitter, which is this one here. I've got the glitter pop peel off eyeliner in Lucky Bitch, the melted gold liquified lip gloss, which is that one up the top here. And then last but not least, I have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I haven't even swatched any of these, so we're going to do that for the very first time on camera. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Look how stunning that is. Oh my lord. Look at those colors. They are so pretty. So in the little book that they gave me, it says that this metallic matte eyeshadow collection is infused with real gold and 100% cocoa powder. Foiled shadows offer amazing metallic finishes. Creamy matte shadows offer soft velvety wear infused with our signature chocolate scent, which it does. That was like the first thing I noticed when I opened it. And richy pigmented colors offer one swipe payoff. So let me just do a few swatches. Get green, gold, the purple, and let's do the black. I got 4 colors there. Wow. They did not lie about that. That is so nice. And the black is actually like black. I'm really intrigued with this glitter pop peel off eyeliner. I've seen some things this past month on Instagram and it looks really interesting. So, ooh, that's so pretty. Look at that. That is stunning. So in the book it says goof proof application, easy to peel off with no glitter fallout, innovative film formers lockdown glitter that won't budge, and you can mix and match the colors or layer together for endless eye looks. So that's it there. It really reminds me of like the Urban Decay heavy metal glitter eyeliners in Midnight Cowboy. It reminds me of that. I'll put on my fruit to dry and see if it actually is an easy peel off. There's the pure gold ultra fine face and body glitter. So this one says it's an ultra fine face and body glitter infused with real gold. Ooh. Whoosh. Infused with real gold for a luxe sparkling finish. Can be used as a highlighter on lips or anywhere on your body for dazzling sparkle. Ultra fine loose glitter formula applies easily and is buildable for a custom golden moment. It has really good packaging. So it's got like the little, what is this? Like a flippy thingy? I don't know. That is really nice and sparkly. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll use it in the video everywhere to like highlight. And then here's the melted gold liquified gold lip gloss. Such a name. It has really cool packaging as well. Oh, that is like super gold. I'm gonna see if this glitter is gonna peel off now. So I could only peel off like a little bits at a time. I don't know if it wasn't like wet enough or whatever, but it still is a really nice pretty eyeliner. I pulled out the rest of my Too Faced makeup out of my makeup collection, so I'm going to be doing a full face using all of their products. I just want to quickly say as well that all of those products, they do come out on the 30th of January, so not too far away at all. I've already applied my skincare, so I'm going to go straight into the makeup. So I'm using the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Primer. This is a smoothing face primer. I also have the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is like a hydrating primer. So I'm just going to use that on my chin because I do actually get dry there. That smells so good. It smells exactly like coconuts. Now I'm going to be using their famous Too Faced Born This Way foundation. This is like a medium to full coverage buildable foundation, oil free, and it's really good because it's got coconut water and hyaluronic, so it's also hydrating at the same time. I didn't have any of their brow pencils, so I just filled it in with another product, but I am going to be using the Too Faced Brow Quickie Brush On Brow Fibre Eye Gel, and I use the colour Taupe. For the base of my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. From the Chocolate Gold palette, I'm going to be using Rolling in Dough, this colour right here, just to set that all. I'm going to use the So Bougie colour, which is this one right here, and I'm going to put this really messily all in my crease. Then I'm going to be using this darker brown here, which is called Cocoa Truffle, and this one is going to go in the crease as well, but this time it's just going to go just below that colour. I have no idea what just happened there, but it is so pigmented. We'll just even that out. Blend it out. I'm stuck between what gold I want to use today, but I think I'm going to go for this one here, which is called Old Money, and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. I'm actually going to be taking this shade right here, which is called Gold Dipped, and I'm going to put that on the center of my eyelid. See how it just gives it that like nice bit of spotlight. I'm just going to make sure that everything blends together, so I'm just going to take a clean brush and just blend that edge. I'm going to use the Glitter Pop Peel Off eyeliner, and I'm just going to put that on top of that colour in the middle just so it pops a little bit more. I think I'm just going to make the corners just a little bit more darker, so I'm going to mix the Cocoa Truffle and the Decadent, so you say it, the black shade, just on the outer corner. Then I'm going to use this colour and I'm just going to put it underneath my eyebrow. And I'm just going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Cool. I quickly just popped on some lashes. Now we're going to go back to the rest of the face. I'm going to use the Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light. To set that, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal. Anyways, the Born This Way setting powder. You will quickly learn that I cannot read at all. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. This is just a mini size. So cute. Smells like cocoa. And then to bronze, I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweetheart Bronze Sweet Tea Bronzer. I'm going to be using the lighter side as my blush because I want to keep this look all bronzy. I'm going to use the Pure Gold pigment as my highlighter. That highlighter is really nice, but it's a little bit too dark for me, so I'm just going to fix it up with a lighter gold highlighter. Going back into the lower lash line, I'm just going to use the Cocoa Truffle on my lower lash line. Just some more Better Than Sex. And I'm going to use the Rich Girl colour for my inner corner. Might just use some of that under my brow bone as well. The colours from Too Faced, I only have 3. I've got like this bright pink, which will definitely be a no-no. And then I've got this dark brown gloss from their Funfetti collection. And then I have their melted matte lipstick. I'm going to be using the Melted Gold lip gloss. Because this is so intense, I'm only going to put it in the center and then blend it out. I'm going to quickly finish off my look by spraying the Too Faced Hangover setting spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this. Too Faced is one of my favorite brands in the whole entire world, and I'm so lucky, grateful, and so thankful that I got given this vault to have a play with before it even launches. I'm still squealing that I got given this. Too Faced is a cruelty-free brand, and they do not sell in China or in any other countries that test their products on animals, so that is one of the many reasons why I love them so much. Some of the products that I did use today were vegan, and those products will be listed down in the, what's it called, the section thingy down below. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!